Hi. So in today's video, we'll see combination of solids, the 5 to 6 most important questions that generally appear in the board exam. So let's get started. The first one, in the following figure, a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top of the same diameter. So here we can see a cylinder, and on top of cylinder, we have a cone. If the height and diameter of cylindrical are 2.1 and 3 meters respectively, so here 3 meter is the diameter. So I can write the details. Diameter of cylinder is equal to 3 meter, which means radius will be equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5 meters. And height of the cylinder is 2.1 meters. And the length of the conical part is 2.8 meters. Find the cost of canvas needed to make the tent if the canvas is available at the rate of 500 square meters. So generally, you need to find the cost of the canvas. So at times you're not sure whether you need to go with the area or the volume. So you can always see the units. Here the units are 500 square meter. Square units are always for the area and cubic units are for the volume. So here we need to find the area. So let us find the total area. What will be the total area? So total area will be equal to CSA of cone, curved surface area of cone, plus curved surface area of cylinder. Okay, so what is curved surface area of cone? Pi RL plus cylinder is 2 pi RH. Okay, so here radius is same, is it? Here we have seen the length of the conical part is 2.8. So length of cone is 2.8. So in these kind of questions, it is always easy if you simultaneously write all the details that are given to you. You will not go wrong. Now here we know that radius is same. So I can take pi r common. I get L plus 2H. Okay. So you need to use pi as 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into radius is 1.5. Let me take 3 by 2. And length is 2.8 plus 2 into height of the cylinder is 2.1. So mainly you lose marks in calculation. So how do we calculate the surface area? So calculation is easier if you reduce everything. Reduce everything means here I can write 2 ones are 2 11s are 22. So what do I get? 11 by 7 into 3 into, now 2 into 2.1 is how much? 4.2. 4.2 plus 2.8 is 7. So 7, 7 cut, 11 into 3, 33 meter square. Okay. This is meter square. This is the area. But what do we need to find? We need to find the cost. So it is given that per meter square, that means 1 meter square cost is 500 rupees. So if the meter square is 33 meters square, what is the cost of canvas? So now cross multiply. So x is equal to 33 into 500, which will give us 16,500 rupees. So this is the cost. I hope this is clear. Now moving on to the next one. A cone and a cylinder have the same radii. Here I've written the radii is R. Both are same. But the height of a cone is 3 times that of a cylinder. So if I take the cylinder to be H, height of the cone will be 3H. Find the ratio of the volume. So to find the ratio of the volumes, volume of cone by volume of cylinder. Let me write the formulas. Volume of cone is how much? 1 by 3 pi r square h by cylinder is pi r square h. So pi cancel, radius is same, so I can cancel radius. So this is Height of cone. What is height of cone? 3h. Divided by height of cylinder is h. So 3 gets cancelled, h gets cancelled. So basically it is 1:1. It was very easy. So everything gets cancelled. For easy calculations, you always reduce everything and the leftovers you need to multiply and divide. All right, now moving on to the next one. The 3/4 part of a conical vessel of internal radius 5 and height 24 centimeter is full of water. So here we have a cone which is where 3/4 is filled with water. The radius of the cone is 5 in the figure and the height is 24. Now the water is emptied in a cylindrical vessel. This 3/4 water is emptied in the cylindrical vessel with the internal radius 10 and you need to find the height of the cylindrical vessel. Okay. So basically, the water that you have in the cone, the 3/4 water, that water needs to be transferred to the cylinder. So basically, volume of cone and volume of cylinder is equal, but 3/4 of it. So 3/4 into volume of cone is equal to volume of cylinder, because 3/4 water is to be transferred. So 3/4 into volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h is equal to pi r square h. So what can we cancel? Pi gets cancelled. Now let us substitute the values. 3/4 into 1/3 into radius of cone is 5 and height is 24. Now here radius is 10, 10 into 10 and height is to be calculated. So let us first reduce everything. 3 gets cancelled. 4 ones are 4 6 are 24. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. So here we have 5 into 3. 15 is equal to 10h. So basically h is 1.5 centimeter. I hope this is clear. It was easy, just equating both the volumes. Now next up we have a solid is in a form of a cylinder with hemispherical ends. So here this is the cylinder and both the ends are hemisphere. The total height of the solid is 20 centimeter and the diameter of cylinder is 7. Find the TSA of the solid. So how do you find the TSA of the solid? Sorry, find the total volume. Here we need to find the total volume. Total volume. So total volume will be what? Volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. But how many hemisphere do we have? 2 hemispheres. So 2 into volume of hemisphere. So what is volume of cylinder? Pi r square h plus 2 into what is volume of hemisphere? 2/3 pi r cube. So here we can take pi r square common because radius is same. And what do we have here? H plus 2 into 2, 4/3 r. Let us substitute 22/7 into radius. Diameter is given as 7 centimeter. So radius will be 7/2 into 7/2. And height of this is what? Total height is 20 here. And this is 7. You know? Sorry, yeah. Both the diameters are 7. So each is 3.5, 3.5. The radius is 3.5 each. So both the radius, if I add, I get total 7. That needs to be subtracted from the 20 to get the height of the cylinder. So if I just subtract the spherical length, that is 3.5, 3.5. I get the height of the cylinder, which is 13 plus 4 by 3 into radius is 7 by 2. So now here we will reduce 7, 7 cut, 2 ones are 2 11s are. Here I can cut 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. So ultimately we get 11 into 7, 77 by 2 into 13 plus 7 into 2, 14 by 3. Yes. So upon simplification, 77 by 2 into, here let us take the LCM will be 3. So 13 into 3 is 39. 39 plus 14 will give us 39 plus 14, 53. So upon simplification, we get 680.16 centimeter cube. So this is the total volume of the solid. Now moving on, a hemispherical bowl of internal radius 9 centimeter is full of water. So here we have a hemispherical bowl. The radius is 9 and the hemisphere is full of water. Its contents are emptied in the cylindrical vessel of internal radius 6 centimeter. Find the height. So the whole water of hemisphere needs to be emptied to a cylinder. Cylinder dimensions are given. The radius is given as 6 and the height is to be calculated. So obviously, how much water is there in the hemisphere? Only that much water can be transferred to the cylinder. So basically, volume of hemisphere is equal to volume of cylinder. So both the volume needs to be equated. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to pi r square h. So pi can be cancelled. Now you need to just substitute the values. 2 by 3 into radius is 9. Is equal to, here the radius is of the cylinder is 6 and height is to be calculated. So what? 3 ones, 3 threes are 9. So we get 2 into 3 into 9 into 9 divided by, now this 6 into 6 can be transferred here, 6 into 6. So now let us reduce, 2 ones are 2 threes are 6, 3 gets cancelled. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So ultimately 27 by 2, which is 13.5 centimeters. So 13.5 centimeter is the height of the cylinder. So now next last question. Yes, this has come multiple times. A toy is in the shape of a cylinder with hemisphere one end and cone on the other. Here we have a cylindrical shape with cone on one end and hemisphere on the other. The height and radius of the cylindrical part are 13 and 5. So 13 is the height of the cylinder and 5 is the radius of the cylinder. Now, the radii of the hemispherical and the conical part are same as that of cylindrical part. So, all the 3 radii is 5. Calculate surface area of the height of the conical part, which is 12 centimeters. So, the height of the cone is 12 given. Okay. So, all right. Now, let's get started. What do we need to calculate? Surface area. So surface area, okay. So let us find individually. Firstly, curved surface area of hemisphere. What is curved surface area of hemisphere? 2 pi r square. So 2 into pi into radius is 5 square. 5 square, 25 into 2, 50 pi. Okay. Now next, cone, curved surface area of cone. What is curved surface area of cone? Pi r L. So radius is known, but the slant height is not known. How do we get the slant height? So since we know that L square is equal to h square plus r square. So L is equal to root over h square plus r square. Root over height of the cone is given as 12. So 12 square plus and radius is 5 square. So 144 plus 25 root 169 which is 13. So pi into radius is 5 and slant height is 13. So this we get it as 65 pi. Okay. Now CSA of cylinder. What is CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi into radius is 5 again and height of the cylinder is 13. So 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 5, 130 pi. So since we found all the curved surface area, now we can find the surface area of the toy. Surface area of toy is equal to all the curved surface areas. We need to add them up. 50 pi plus 65 pi plus 130 pi, which will give us 245 pi. Okay, 245 pi. So 245 is what? 245 into pi is 22 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 5s are. So 35 into 22 is 770 centimeters square. So this is the surface area of the whole solid, whole toy. So yeah, I hope this is clear. These are some very important questions on the combination of solids, which has appeared multiple times in your board exam. I hope you enjoyed the video and you have understood all of them. See you in the next video. Thank you.